Public speaking skills are important because they help you to overcome glossophobia, which is the fear of public speaking. And the skills help you to believe in yourself, to convince yourself about the speech that you want to give and being able to articulate it well to others. Because when you do public speaking, you want to influence, you want to give information to people. And if you can't do that well because of poor public speaking skills, then people will not get the right message. So when you have the right skills, you'll be able to articulate yourself, form connections, motivate change, and influence your ideas to other people. Public speaking skills are important because as a speaker, you want to make a difference. There are so many things that one needs to become a good speaker. First, you need to have self-belief. You need to be confident of yourself. You need to gather the necessary confidence that will help you to step onto the stage and deliver a speech. The second one is being able to use what you have, that is your body language, your voice, to be able to articulate your message. And thirdly, to influence, because when you speak to people, you want to move people, you want to give your ideas to people, you want to motivate change, and so many other things that are involved. So you need to be able to understand that your message is going to be influential to your audience.